So Google just quietly dropped this bomb, a free insane AI tool that can build your entire marketing campaigns in minutes. It's called Pomelli, an AI tool that literally reads your website, learns your brand voice, your colors, your style, and then says, "Relax boss, I'll handle the marketing." Okay, let's give it a try. Just search with Google Pomelli and then you will see the link here. Go there and here click start. So here's how it works. So it will generate the business journey, meaning it will take all your information about your website, your brand, and then it will give you campaign ideas and you can generate creatives. So let's go. So here we need to give the link. You can paste any website, Amazon brand store, Shopify site, Facebook, Instagram, anything. And Pomelli will state it like a digital Sherlock Holmes. So let's test it with ecomclips.com. It's gonna take some time. By the way, if you are outside USA, you cannot visit this site because it's only for USA for now. But you can use a VPN to actually come here. However, so here it is. So it is the link here and you can see the logo. It is the font, like our font style. We can edit it here. Like the fonts are loading here. So I can actually switch font from here and then like click on apply. So for now I'm keeping the same thing here, and there is the colors, our brand colors, and then this is the tagline and then brand values. I can actually add more values if I have anything. For now it's okay. And then brand tone voice and brand aesthetics. So I can actually write down something here and then it gives me that. For now, let's keep it what it is here because we're going to test like it really like with everything possible. So this is the business overview and then some of our images. So let's click on looks good. Well, so it already gives me some of the suggestions. I can like view this one. Let me check if okay, stop juggling e-commerce tools. I mean, it's really great. I already love this one. And what I can do here, you can see I can change this image here if I want. I can give the prompt here to generate images, and then I can change the header if I want. I can change the font if I want, and there is color that I can choose from, and description, and then obviously I can generate call to action. Let's click on this. Well, great. So it gives me a call to action button, and then what I can do is I can like click here and download this one. So let me do one thing here. So let's go back. Here you can see there are a lot of other images, but I would like to test it with like some website where actually there are actual products that are selling. So let's go back from here and then business journey and then reset business journey. So from here I can actually start from new. So let's keep another website here. So here again it gives us all the logos and everything here. So what I'm gonna do, let's click on looks good, and then I will ask it to, like for example, create a launching campaign for a brand. Let's give this one. I mean, it's creating the images, but in the meantime, if you look at these images here, so these are also looking pretty cool. You can easily just download and use these ones. Well, so here are three options. Unveil your inner readiness, precision. I think I would like to go with this one. Well. So, I mean, like these all are pretty good. If I click on, let's say this one, okay, so it gives my product here. It includes even how the product looks like, the text, color, and everything, the text style and everything. Just look at this. It's not just creating random post. It's creating your brand tone, your visuals, your story. That's what I call context-aware creativity. And this looks really great. I can easily like change a few things here, as I told you earlier. And if I want, I can just click on and download this one and use it for my creatives. And let me look at some other versions. So let's like look at this one, and I also love this one. I mean, look at the picture, the text, and everything looks really great. And if we like, let's say if I change anything here, let's say if I the new era of elegance, and if I write something here, it will again like update it. So it actually, you know, the layout is actually broken here. If I click on fix layout, I'm just testing if it really is good enough to like fix automatically things, and boom, you see it actually fix the layout here. So you can edit here, you can actually fix things here, and you can also go back to your previous version where actually you were, and this is really crazy, and it's gonna really save time for the brands and business owners for sure. So you see, these images are really great, if not the best. And this is Google and DeepMind working together. So you know where it is heading. It's fast, free for now, and on board. Just remember, if your website is a mess, your Pomelli output will be too. Meaning garbage in, garbage out. So make sure that your website is good. And here's the real deal. Tools like Pomelli won't replace marketers. They will replace marketers who never adopt. AI doesn't steal jobs. For me, it steals excuses. So never excuse on that. Now think about this. If you sell on Amazon, Shopify or TikTok shop or anywhere online, which means you need consistent visuals, social proof and ad creatives that actually convert. There's a quote I really love. We shape our tools and therefore our tools shape us. Which means AI won't replace you. Someone using AI must replace you. At Ecomclips, we integrate tools like Pomelli into real workflows, so brands look picture perfect on every platform. The future of marketing isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine. The brands that learn this now will lead the next decade, and we are already leading it at Ecomclips.